Okay, so great news with the Pitbull. I don't even know how to say this, but looks like we're pulling the engine. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out how to break this to you guys. If you haven't seen the last vlog style video that we did of the Pitbull, picking it up, then you didn't see the problems that we have, go watch that one so you get some context for what's wrong with the Pitbull, and then come back as I explain to you kind of what we're going to start tackling with this thing right now. So annoying, I was having the time of my life. Okay, so like I said last time, we got the Pitbull in here to start diagnosing. First thing we had to do was connect the pressure gauge that we got from Bowtie to the transmission. Did all of the pressure tests and they were all at 0. This transmission is getting 0 PSI. So we've got real problems down in there, and just kind of because we have to pull everything out, we have decided to pull the engine because we don't know how old the engine is. We don't know how long it's been sitting there, how many miles. It's just making different noises and stuff. We're gonna pull it out, throw a little bit more heat to go with the 700 R4. And that's just kind of the big announcement is I was hoping to get through summer, not having to do any more work to the Pitbull. But you know, it's just I want to drive this thing again, want to get it onto the road. Couldn't wait any longer, so we're just going to tackle it. So we could get away with just pulling the transmission and transfer case, getting that all fixed and stuffing it back in, but because everything's going to be out, we're just going to go ahead and tackle a plethora of different things, because obviously once you start taking stuff out, it becomes a bigger project. A lot of you Bronco guys and car guys in general know that, you know, so there's a lot of patchwork that you decide to do, a lot of cleanup work you decide to do when there's not a lot of stuff. What I'm not going to let happen is let this turn into a 20-year project. We're gonna get this thing out, get it fixed, get it all stabbed back in, hopefully take you guys along for the majority of the ride. I don't know what kind of ride that's gonna be, maybe just a couple of shop work video type of things. I don't know if it's gonna be so much Tech Tuesday because I'm probably not gonna be able to explain a good amount of what I'm doing, but we're gonna try to get as much information over to you guys as we can to kind of help you guys along with the stuff. You guys can watch these vlog style videos, and if you like what you're seeing, you know, comment down below. Let us know that you're liking it, and then if you got any questions from some of the stuff that you see, you can definitely leave it in the comments below. But that is a ton of talking right there. I just kind of wanted to give you guys some background on what we're actually going to be tackling here. With that said, it's time to start ripping stuff out and getting grease under our fingernails again. So hope you guys enjoy the ride. I hope I enjoy the ride. Oh. Okay, so we got a late start today. We did a couple of the basic stuff, taking off a few of the main bolts. We got the cross member out, started draining the oil pan. Again, as you guys know, a lot of these projects, these type of projects just kind of get spread out over time. So we're just gonna document it all, kind of throw it together into probably a couple videos, maybe several, depending on how long this takes, how intense the stuff that we do gets. We'll try to lose as few bolts as possible, try to end up with as little as possible, make sure we got them all in, but we're just gonna see how this goes. I've never tackled an engine install before, engine swap. I've pulled the tranny out 1 billion times, so you know, that's old news. We'll definitely learn some new things here, guys. I'm excited for it. So stick around for the ride. Like I said, this probably isn't the end of this video because it was super short. So enjoy the next round of awesomeness. 1,000,005. Successful. Alrighty. Haven't seen under there in a minute. And yes, that is a joke because I literally just saw underneath there. It's like I was just putting this thing in. That's out. That's a good thing. So I'm calling it a day. Look at that. Woo! Oh, who doesn't like a little bit of dirt on their arms? All right, that's what we're calling it. We're gonna call this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's it, you know. I've got nothing else to say. We're gonna fix that. Engine's next. Stay tuned. We got a ton of sick stuff coming. Sorry, the music playing in the background. But anyways, make sure you subscribe so you can catch more of the Pitbull action and just Bronco action in general. And I'm yelling because of the music in the background, not because I like yelling. I hate yelling. But anyways, guys, this is going on. So with all of that being said, we'll see you guys out there on the trail. Peace!